Last week, we mentioned our new project, and this is why we're continuing this channel in English language. Our AI project has started, creating a YouTube channel completely made by or with AI Force. Today, we asked ChatGPT what they would recommend to us for starting such a channel. And here is what ChatGPT came up with: 6 single steps for 6 weeks. Week number 1, setting up and understanding the whole thing and planning the content. The week 2 and 3, it is all about content creation and the channel customization. In week 4, it's about publishing and optimizing the channel, while for week 5 and 6 is about CEO and growth. And then in the last week, week number 6, it is the passive promotion and the monetization of this channel. Stay tuned and be surprised what we are going to produce on here. See you soon.